Hello. Nigeria. Nigeria lies in West Africa. Nigeria got independence from Britain in 1960. In 1999, Nigeria adopted a new constitution and the first democratic elections were held in 20 years. It is the most important country politically and economically in West Africa. It borders the Republic of Benin in the west and Chad and Cameroon in the east. In the north, it borders Niger. It lies on the Gulf of Guinea in the south and borders Lake Chad in the northeast. The capital city is Abuja. The most important cities are Lagos, Kano and Ibadan. 12 out of Nigeria's 36 states have Sunni Islam as the dominant religion. In 1999, those 12 states chose to have Sharia laws courts as well as customary courts. In 2012, 9 of those 12 states instituted Sharia law. This means death for blasphemy. Exports. It is a major exporter of crude petroleum gas, rubber and cocoa. The people and culture. The southwestern plains are home to the Yoruba people who have lived there for thousands of years. There are between 250 and 400 languages spoken in Nigeria, but the official language is English. Strong tribal roots are prevalent in society with their music and art. The southwestern plains are home to the Yoruba people. They believe in the Yoruba religion. The Igbo or Igbo are from southeastern Nigeria. They believe in one God. The Hausa are from northern Nigeria. They are Muslims. About 60% of the population live below the poverty line with less than $1 a day. This is because the money from the crude oil is not fairly distributed and due to political, ethnic and religious conflicts. Corruption is endemic throughout the country. Illegal taps on oil pipelines. According to ex-President Goodluck Jonathan, 300,000 to 400,000 barrels of oil per day, or more than 10% of all Nigeria's production, are being lost at a cost to the state and oil companies of around £1 billion a month. The criminal gangs operating in the Niger Delta sell the oil to oil refiners and international oil thieves. They can earn up to 165 million naira, nearly 4 million euros per month. Geographical features. Adamawa Highlands are situated in Central Africa, stretching from southeastern Nigeria to Cameroon. The Mambila Plateau is a plateau in the Taraba state in the southeast of Nigeria. It is the highest plateau in Nigeria with an average elevation of 1,600 meters above sea level. The Chapalwadi, more appropriate name, Gang Mountain, is the highest mountain in Nigeria with an average height of about 2,419 meters above sea level. The Jos Plateau is located near the center of Nigeria. There have been many violent attacks by the Christians and Muslims against each other. Many people have been killed. The Niger River is the principal river of Western Africa. The Niger Delta is the delta of the Niger River, sitting directly on the Gulf of Guinea on the Atlantic Ocean in Nigeria. The Niger Delta is a very densely populated region, sometimes called the oil rivers, because it was once a major producer of palm oil. The River Benue is the major tributary of the Niger River. The river is approximately 1,400 kilometers long and is almost entirely navigable during the summer months. It is an important transportation route. Chad Lake is economically important. It provides water to more than 68 million people living in the 4 countries surrounding it, Chad, Cameroon, Niger and Nigeria, on the edge of the Sahara Desert. It is the largest lake in the Chad Basin. It is often targeted by Boko Haram Islamists. Boko Haram are against Western culture and education. The Gulf of Guinea is the most northeastern part of the tropical Atlantic Ocean between Cape Lopez in Gabon, north and west to Cape Palmas in Liberia. Zuma Rock is a large monolith and is located in the Niger State, Nigeria. It lies north of Nigeria's capital, Abuja. Zuma Rock stands 725 meters high. Habitats. Nigeria is home to 4 different types of habitat: savanna grasslands, mangrove swamps, mountain plateaus, and tropical forests. The tropical forests are home to tropical birds as well as chimpanzees and gorillas. The rainforest in the southern mountains is home to the rare western lowland gorillas. Mountain plateaus are the habitat of goats and cattle herds. The mangroves are home to reptiles. Many years ago, the savannas were alive with giraffe, elephants, lion, antelope, and cheetahs. These animals have mostly been killed by hunters and their habitats have been destroyed. The savannas are home to the depleted numbers of elephants, cheetahs, crocodiles, hippopotamus, leopards, and wild dogs. Climate: there are 2 seasons. The dry season from October to April with high temperatures and low humidity, and the rainy season from June to September. Bye-bye.